How to change a faucet. This one has served okay, but a few problems with it I find when I'm rinsing certain dishes is I would like to be able to pull it out and have a big spray, and I can't do it. So I'm changing it out. And this is the one I'm going to change it into. One of the first things you're going to have to do is empty out underneath the sink. So we'll empty all that out. So one of the first things you have to do after you're done cleaning everything out is turn off the water. And then disconnect the water lines. Have a container for the water left in the line to drain it with. Then disconnect the mounting system. This can take a little bit of time with the older systems. And simply pull it out. Clean up the sink area. Place the S2 on for the new faucet. Feed the lines into the hole. Newer faucet models have easier parts to use. This plastic piece simply just gets pushed through the supply tube line until you can't push it in any further, and then you twist it to lock it all into place. Much quicker than newer systems. Now we just connected the spray hose, and now we're placing the weight. I like to use Teflon tape prior to connecting the water lines. Connect the water lines, then tighten. There we go. That should work. And turn the water on. Does it need to be more? Oh, problem. Now it's going to get caught in there. And this won't go inside completely. Ugh. Solution. I'm going to hack this with a poster tube cut in half. This one is 2.5-inch diameter. I placed it over the weight so it can move freely. Check it out. Not getting hung up on anything. Final results. This is so awesome! I love it! Nice! Thanks for watching.